Alrighty, y'all. Welcome to my review of the Kingbo Dual Optical Lens Series 900 Watt LED Grow Light. Ooh, yeah, that's a long L name. But check it out, y'all. This is the way it comes with Amazon Prime. That's the only way to do it. If you don't do it with Amazon Prime, you gotta wait a week to get your light. But get that Prime, get that free Prime membership for 30 days, and get your light within 2 days guarantee. Because that's where I got mine. Got it on a Sunday. Came on a Sunday, ordered it Thursday. Supposed to be a Saturday, it wasn't, so they came on a Sunday actually. But let's crack this open. See what we got in here, y'all. I got other lights to do a size comparison too, so that if y'all already have these other lights, y'all know what to expect. Alright, let's see. Of course, Amazon Prime always sends your product inside their box. So here is the LED grow light. Let me move that Prime away this box. Oh, sorry. But yeah, it comes in this nice home box. Lets you know exactly what you're getting. And this is from Kingbo Incorporated. They're the manufacturer who makes this light. And this is a 900 watt. Over here I got a 600 watt. This is a high grow. And this is a high grow 1000 watt. And these are a single optical lens. So I'll show that difference in a little bit on what I mean by a dual optical lens and a regular optical lens. Let's see. Let's cut this open. See what this beautiful light looks like. And as always, the Kingbo package there is nice and safe. Got a good, almost 1/2 inch, 3/4 of foam on top. Oh man, look at that. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful light. I ain't never seen a black one. They actually come with a LED user manual. That's cool. And it explains everything in there. It tells the model number, how many watts total that it's actually using, because it's an equivalent of a 900 watt high pressure sodium metal halide, but it only uses 370 watts max at full spectrum. That's not bad. Breaks down everything, tells the AC 100 to 240 volts current for your electricity plug. Runs at 50 to 60 hertz. Its maximum coverage, this is called maximum coverage, is 5 feet by 4 feet. Now, core coverage is different. The core coverage is 4 feet by 3 feet. Now, the difference between those two is maximum light coverage is the minimum amount of light that the light can supply to that whole area. So if this was 5 by 4, it'll be at the minimum par level, which is how much actually light is reaching the plants at that level. And I believe this is at 24 inches high for the plant. So this one's pretty cool because these other 1000 watt over here, because of its lenses, it doesn't actually cover that big of an area either. It has a maximum capacity, I believe, of 4 by 3 and a core by 3 by 3. So this Kingbo really did something better by doing these core dual optical lenses. But let's continue right here with the specs. Let's go ahead and see the size of it. It's a 16.1 inches by 12.2 inches by 2.4 inches thick, y'all. But this is a very heavy light. It's 15.75 pounds. It's actually a little heavier than the 600 watt, but it's a lot lighter than the 1000 watt high grow that I got here. But of course it runs for 50,000 hours, so that's nice. And it shows here everything. Shows what the light looks like and what comes all in the package. So let's continue on over here. It explains more. It shows all the different spectrums, not spectrums, but the wattage. This one's a 300 watts unit. This is a 600 watt. This is a 900 watt. This right here is a 900 watt that I got. But they do come in the other two smaller levels. But here's the light spectrum. It shows you exactly how much blues, how much reds, how much greens, how much par factor. It actually breaks it down right here, y'all. The actual ratio for the reds is 52.3% red, and the blue lights is actually 37.5%, and greens make up 10.2%. It looks like of total wavelength. So that's pretty cool. You want those blues for the vegetative growth to make good green leafy plants, and then you want the reds to help with your flowers and blooms and your vegetables and all that are blooming. But it explains everything here. I believe it even shows here. Even shows your par level for your par value, and that's a good thing to know because a lot of people get confused with lumens and par. Well, lumens is the output of light, how strong of a light that is putting out, but the par is exactly how much light reaches the plant at that level. And it breaks it down. It gives you a 1 by 1 foot at 24 inches away. It shows that the average is, looks like 460 nanomodes, micromodes, I mean, for the par level. And then a 2 foot by 2 foot square space, looks like the average is going to be about 200 micromodes. And then, of course, it shows here the maximum, which is, what is that, a 3 foot by 3 foot. And that's it, a good 75 to about 80 micromodes. So that's how much light is actually reaching those levels if you have your plants in this design, which they recommend. So, but it does come with a warranty. That's crazy. It comes with a warranty, and it explains everything, how to deal with that, how to fill it out and send it back and get your light fixed if there's any defects. So that's very nice. So let's actually look at the light itself. Oh, so here comes the power cord. Very nice, 3-prong, very strong 5-foot power cord, capable of really, capable of doing a lot higher wattage and amps than it's actually being used right now. And of course, it comes with the beautiful hangers. Oh, this is nice, because the hangers for the hydro, they came clear. These are coming out black. Look at that, black just like the light. Oh, that is pretty. That is so pretty, y'all. I like that. I'm gonna put that to the side. Let's actually take this light out and look at this beautiful thing here. Alright. Comes nice and safely packaged. That's good. Got almost an inch, it looks like, on the bottom. So let's take this out. Oh man, yo. Look at that. That's beautiful. Oh, powder coating there. Man, that is nice. That finish. It's so strong, so you don't have to worry about chipping that paint or anything. Look at that, Kingbo. That is just beautiful, y'all. Beautiful. Okay, so now, let me give you some specs. Now, when it says dual optical lens, if you can zoom in and look here, you'll see where it actually has 2 types of lenses. There's a lens on the inside. You can see it clear with this yellow one right here. There's a lens on the inside, and that's a 90-degree optical lens. But then you got this further outside lens. There's another one. Now that's 120 degrees. So what happens is it's shooting the light directly straight, as far straight down as it can. But then when it reaches the second lens also helps it to control it also, to make it more concentrated, to where there's almost no light loss. It's almost going all the way completely down. And that's one thing that a lot of high pressure sodiums and metal halides reflectors concentrate on, is helping to reflect that light where it needs to go. So Kingbo has fixed that problem very, very nicely with these dual optical lens. Excuse me. And yeah, like I said, with the warranty, they do come with a 3-year warranty of 30-day satisfaction. I thought they did. That's what I was trying to make sure I read to y'all. But it has 3 120, 25 computer fans. Let me turn around so you can see that. There's a beast of a computer fans, and it blows a lot. And of course, it has for 2 settings for the veg, 1 setting for the bloom, so you can turn it on. This is where the power supply connects into. Over here, they got it nicely marked, so if you don't even have the paperwork, you can still look at the sticker and see that it's a 900 watt. It shows you exactly how much alternating current can be introduced into the the LED light, 100 to 240 volts. But of course, it's not waterproof. None of these lights are, so don't do it. There are some manufacturers out there that are waterproof, that you run water to cool through, but this one not. This one uses computer fans. But as you can see, they got the same little clips here, so you can clip your light and hang it from there. So let's go ahead and do that while I got this light upside down, and then we'll do a little demonstration on the different lights. But before I do that, let me zoom in over here, y'all. See, this is the 90. These are just a single 90-degree optical lens series. I don't know if you can see them like that, how they look. And when you look at these Kingbo, the shape way different. They're little round nodules. So we're gonna do a test in a little bit to show that. So let me finish connecting it so you can see how that works. All right, zoom out a little bit, cameraman. Let's go over here and connect this right here. Oh, my light's big. It's kind of hard to do this one. Try to do one-handed. There you go. All right. Let's see. Come on, light, work with me. Work with me. There you go. Check on my notes, make sure I got everything there. Yep, that's it. So all we need to do is crank this baby up. Plug this power cord up. We'll go do that. Okay. So, 5-foot power cord. Same distance as a cell phone cord. Alright, so it inserts just like that. Nice and snug. Now these high grows, they plug in through the side. So that's one difference that the manufacturer made. And it does work out better on having the plug on the top, because I don't have to worry about any obstructions on the side, making it move differently or anything like that, because I'm just gonna hang the light. But okay, I'll be right back. Go ahead and pause it. Okay, y'all. I went ahead and I want to show y'all what it looks like on veg. This light. Let me turn this light on. Oh man, let's see if I can zoom in. I can show you the actual pattern. There you go. See how it actually makes a perfect circle, and I'm trying to show you, but it's so big. These optical lenses, it's crazy. It's crazy how it makes a perfect circle. So you're not trying to figure out where your plants are gonna be. It already marks it for you. But that's the veg bloom. Let me go ahead and do the bloom. Let me show you that. Oh man, that looks like the devil. Like I'm in the club. Look how red that is, y'all. It's so pretty. So if you put them together, this is the veg and the bloom together. It makes a little purplish light. It is really, really, really bright. Man, it is super bright, y'all. And if you need a powerful light to grow hydroponic, tomatoes, cucumbers, watermelons, anything that requires a lot of light, this will do it. Man, I love that red bloom. Man, it's so pretty. Let me show you what it looks like with that high growth 1000 watt. This is the Kingbo 900 watt. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. Right back at you. This is the high grow 1000 watt full spectrum light. Okay. So right there I got it on veg. As you can see, it's a little blue, but it has some purples in it. But as you can see, the light is not very concentrated in one spot. It does have a circle, but as you can see as I move it down, there's a little area that's kind of light right there. You can see it's almost 4 feet. The Kingbo dual optical lens took away that. So it concentrates all the light. Even though this is good, it's 30% better than any other LED light, it's not as efficient as the dual optical lens. So let me turn both spectrum on. There's both of them on for this high growth 1000 watt full spectrum. As you can see, it still doesn't do the same light output and color as the other one. And that's the bloom spectrum. The other one, you can tell how red, I mean real red it is. This one's red, but it's not as blood red as the other one. The other one really puts out those red spectrum that you need. And it puts it out a lot brighter. It's way a lot brighter than this 1000 watt. But let me hang them up so you can see what they look like hanged up. Turn this off. Okay, y'all. Here I got both lights. On my right is the Kingbo 900 watt, and on the left is a high growth 1000 watt. And you can see the difference in the different light spectrums. This is the veg version. This is their veg light. So let me go ahead and move it over to just the bloom. There's the bloom. Do this high growth 1000 watt. Man, look how red that is. Shit here. Oh. But you can see how much more empowering, how overpowering that this Kingbo does. It's crazy. It just outshines this 1000 watt. So very, very much more. I mean, God, look at this. Look at that beautiful color. Man, even the blues come out nice. Over here, look at it, see how it looks. Turn it on veg. See all the blue going on there. And of course it has the ultraviolet and infrared lights in there. So some of the bulbs won't look on, but they're actually on. So don't be worried. Let me put it on that bloom. You see that blue, beautiful reddish. And I recommend that you have a little light fan like this on the side. That way you can blow air over the right here so that there's no hot spots. because even though it is LED, it still has a little warm hot spots there. And it's good enough to where it can grow some beautiful tomatoes like these. This is a Black Beauty heirloom tomato. I've been go ahead and put it under here. It's been under here for 3 weeks now, and it's just loving this light. It really is. Over here I got some other plants. These were grown underneath the high grow 1000 watt. Already got some more buds up here too. Little flowers coming in. It's nice. Jalapenos and wonder bell peppers coming in. This is the jalapenos. This is my wonder peppers. And this is of course the heirloom tomato. But yes, y'all, this is a beautiful, beautiful light. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So let me show you how I got it hanging over here, just on a simple hanger. Hanging trailers like that, that's for the curtain rod. So I got it hanging just like that. That's all it takes. Okay, y'all. Until next time, peace, much love, and waka waka from Fozzy.